light colored box should appear above this image. We want to see an image of a small puppy in a circle on that box. Do you remember that we created this part in the lesson that we created to play songs? Now let's create CSS code for it. I go back to the style sheet. Now we create a child class in the container class. Therefore, from the 14th line, I give as .container greater than star mark and apply curly brackets. By this, we mean the first child class of the container class. Now let's create the codes in this section. From line 15, it is given as width colon 85% semicolon. Now to adjust the margin of this section, it is given as margin colon 10px semicolon. Now we give as background colon hashtag FFD9A140 semicolon to adjust the color of this section. To create a box shadow as before, I give as box dash shadow colon 08px 32px 0 hashtag 141010 semicolon in the next line. Now since I want the backdrop to be blurred from the 19th line, I give as backdrop dash filter colon blur and it is given as 9px in brackets and apply a semicolon outside the bracket. Now let's adjust the border and border radius. From the 20th line, I gave as border dash radius colon 15px semicolon. Now in the 21st line, it is given as border colon 2px solid hashtag FFBFA140 semicolon. Now I give as hashtag album from line 23. Now let's create the code of this ID. From line 24th, I give as border dash radius colon 250px semicolon. I give as height colon 250px semicolon from line 25. Now I give as width colon 250px semicolon from line 26. I gave as margin colon auto semicolon from line 27. Now in line 28, it is given as border colon 2px solid semicolon. Now let's go to the index.html page and now I open another div tag from the 12th line. In this div tag, class equal double quotation. It is given as container dash child inside it. Now we open another div tag from the 13th line. Now in this div tag, ID equal double quotation and give as album inside it. After that, style equal quotation and give as background dash image colon URL inside it. Now open brackets and go to the assets in the left panel. Now click on image2.jpg. Now click on copy URL. Now paste the link copied in the brackets by giving V with control. Now click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. The output has come as we expected.